In today's video, I'm going to teach you connect Shopify to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have your store talking to your funnels and your products mapped so orders flow to the right place without manual work. We'll start in Shopify by creating a custom app, which is how you securely generate the access token ClickFunnels needs. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channel Settings, and choose Develop Apps. Click Create an App. Give it a clear name so you recognize it later, and then configure the permissions, also known as AP scopes. Make sure you enable access for products and orders. These scopes allow ClickFunnels to read your product details and create or manage orders as needed. Save your changes, then click Install App. Shopify will generate an admin API access token. Copy it and store it somewhere safe. Treat it like a password and don't share it publicly. Next, head over to ClickFunnels to add the integration. Log into your account, go to Account Settings, then Integrations. Click Add New Integration, select Shopify, and enter your store URL in the standard format. Paste the admin API access token you just generated into the API key or access token field, and click Add Integration. If you see a success message, you're connected. If not, double-check that your Shopify token is correct and that the scopes for products and orders are enabled. With the platforms connected, we'll map products in Orderlytics so the correct Shopify items are fulfilled when someone buys through your funnel. Log into your Orderlytics account and find the Products page. For each ClickFunnels product you sell, create a new association. Enter the ClickFunnels product ID so Orderlytics knows which funnel product you're referencing. From the Retailer or Fulfillment dropdown, select Shopify. In the Retailer Product ID or SKU field, enter the exact product ID or SKU used in Shopify. If you're using variants, be sure the SKU matches the specific variant you want fulfilled. Set the quantity you want ordered in Shopify for that product, then save the association. Repeat this for every product in your funnel to ensure each one points to the correct Shopify item. That's the full workflow. Create a secure custom app in Shopify and generate your token. Connect Shopify inside ClickFunnels and map each ClickFunnels product to the right Shopify product in Orderlytics. Take a moment to review your mappings for accuracy, and you'll be ready for smooth, automated fulfillment. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit any section as you set this up.